Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to customize the Notion template. First, open your Notion account on your device to get started. Click on Templates from the left dashboard to explore the available options. Choose the category that fits your needs, such as work, school, personal, or projects. Depending on your selection, you will see suggested templates, roadmaps, and calendars tailored to your chosen category. Let us say you pick work. Write down what you need to accomplish, like a project brief, schedule, team offsite, or building an admin console. You will notice sections for project tasks, sprints, meetings, and documents that can help organize your work efficiently. Scroll down to explore additional sections like products and marketing, which might be relevant to your project. Click on Get Template to access the template you have chosen. Give your project a title. For example, if you are managing tasks, you might name it Project Tasks. Start by exploring the initial setup, including documents like PRD, commenting features, and different database views. To replicate page formats within the database with templates, click on the downward arrow. Explore the different sections within the template, such as Getting Started with Docs or H2 Product Strategy. If you need to remove a block, simply hover your cursor over it. Click on the three-dot icon that appears on the left and select Delete. Customize the template to fit your specific needs. For example, if you are proposing changes for a release, adapt the content accordingly. Click on the three dots for more options such as duplicating, moving, deleting, or undoing changes. Share your customized template by entering the email or group you want to collaborate with. Once you are satisfied with your modifications, you can publish the template. When publishing, you can set up various parameters like the public domain, link expiration, editing or commenting, and more. Finally, click on View Site to preview your customized template and ensure everything looks as you intended. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.